Dogecoin value expectation synopsis. Dogecoin cost gauge recommends a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.2174 to $0.2621 in 2025, kind of lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking, which really is genuinely huge. Dogecoin certainly in a real sense is at present estimated at $0.1002 on the lookout, which for the most part is very critical, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our Dogecoin pretty kind of long-haul estimate for 2050 recommends Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $0.000002 and $0.000002 in an unobtrusive manner incredibly. The truly kind of typical extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 for the most part explicitly is supposed to generally certainly be $1.34, with essentially likely change somewhere in the range of $1.30 and $1.55, which explicitly truly is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $61.13 mark, which generally in every practical sense is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Starting around 06 December 2023, Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at $0.1002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.02% in kind of very most recent 60 minutes, exceptionally in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. Doge sort of has a complete market cap of $14,239,518,590 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,690,683,402 in a fundamentally genuinely enormous manner, or so they basically thought. This in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, makes Dogecoin, Doge, by and large all things considered, positioning at 9 in the digital money market, which fundamentally basically is very critical. Which truly shows that Doge for the most part has a complete market cap of $14,239,518,590 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,690,683,402 in an essentially huge manner, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you explicitly fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2040, what will Dogecoin basically be somewhat extremely worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner in an exceptionally enormous way? Is Dogecoin an especially truly wise speculation or actually especially worth purchasing in 2040, which explicitly essentially is genuinely huge, or so they truly thought? Will Doge cost most certainly outperform its untouched especially most certainly high in an actually quite large manner, or so they truly thought? These generally basically are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2040, as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Doge cost certainly essentially is supposed to fundamentally cross an essentially for the most part normal value level of $0.0900, the normal decently in every practical sense. Least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the actually genuinely current year should by and large be $0.0814, which entirely is very huge in an extremely significant manner. Besides, Doge can explicitly generally arrive at in every practical sense, genuinely greatest value level of $0.0925, kind of truly further appearance, how these explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which explicitly is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation December 2023, Dogecoin cost most certainly in a real sense is supposed to especially reach between $0.0814 to $0.0925 in December 2023, while the entirely normal cost of Doge for the December basically by and large stays around $0.0900. Dogecoin kind of most certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost most certainly explicitly has shown a kind of very great increment of 10.58% in the all things considered, most recent 24 hours, by and large especially further appearance, how experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $61.13 mark, for the most part all things considered. In opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Doge truly was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 24.82%, which truly generally is genuinely critical, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin in every practical sense generally has shown extremely lovely, exceptionally impressive sort of potential of late, and this could be fundamentally in every way that really matters, great chance to generally in a real sense dive right in and contribute, which for the most part shows that the especially normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030, basically all things considered, is supposed to in every practical sense be $1.34, with especially by and large likely change somewhere in the range of $1.30 and $1.55, exhibiting how the actually truly normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030, for the most part, is supposed to generally truly be $1.34, with especially expected difference somewhere in the range of $1.30 and $1.55. Which explicitly certainly is genuinely critical in a kind of enormous manner. Dogecoin value estimate 2040 facts. What will sort of explicitly be Dogecoin pretty extremely worth in 2040, or so they by and large explicitly thought in a kind of significant manner. The Doge cost commonly sort of is estimated to actually most certainly arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.0925, with genuinely beautiful least cost of $0.0814 toward the finish of 2040. So from quite most recent 7 days, the Doge in a real sense was in most certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 24.82% in an unpretentious manner. Showing that by and large is Dogecoin an especially truly wise venture or actually most certainly worth purchasing in 2040, which explicitly really is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Does Dogecoin actually really have a future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they fundamentally thought? As far as value, Dogecoin actually generally has an exceptional especially truly potential to explicitly sort of arrive at new levels, which in every practical sense certainly shows that does Dogecoin most certainly generally have a future in a really significant manner, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It ridiculously is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem, exhibiting that Doge for the most part by and large has a by and large all-out market cap of $14,239,518,590, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,690,683,402, which fundamentally really is genuinely critical, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. As indicated by extremely unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Dogecoin can entirely raise a ruckus around town all goals and purposes outright, certainly the greatest cost of $0.0000000 till 2030, which essentially generally shows that besides Doge can especially explicitly arrive at an especially truly greatest value level of $0.0925.